This spare tire subwoofer slaps hard. JBL BassPro Hub Hidden Bass Monster Review. Let's be real, your car audio probably sucks. You keep turning the volume up, but the bass just wheezes like it's out of breath. No punch. No rumble. No soul. Your playlists deserve better than this budget factory speaker sadness. And installing a giant subwoofer? Yeah, it either eats up your whole trunk or makes your car look like a rolling nightclub with daddy issues. You want that rich, deep bass, but you also need space for groceries, gear, or, actual people. You're not alone. Most drivers are riding around with sad sack sound systems that just don't thump. And here's where it gets tragic. You miss the bass drop in your favorite song. Again. You feel the beat in your bones. Oh wait, no you don't, because it isn't there. Your passengers fake a polite nod like your system didn't just cough through a Travis Scott track. Even worse? You looked up expensive installs, crazy amp racks, tangled wiring nightmares, and bailed. Because honestly? Ain't nobody got time, or money, for that headache. So the cycle continues. No punch, no wow factor, no flex. Your daily drive? A dead zone of mediocre mids and zero low-end magic. Time to shake up your commute, meet the JBL BassPro Hub. This ain't just another sub, it's a stealth bass assassin. Tucked neatly into your spare tire space, the BassPro Hub delivers a savage 200-watt RMS of clean, booming bass without stealing an inch of trunk room. That's right. No clutter, no awkward boxes sliding around, just clean sound and clean cargo. The Featherlight 11-inch fiberglass cone slaps with precision, while the Class D amp keeps everything cool and powerful. Built-in protections mean you can crank it with zero worries. Oh, and it comes with a remote. Yes, a freaking bass remote. Here's what you're really getting: tight, rich, window-rattling bass, and total stealth mode. You won't sacrifice space. You won't look like you're headed to a bass-off. But every time that drop hits, your car turns into a rolling concert. Adjust your gain, crossover, phase, or bass boost on the fly. Hook it up fast, forget it's even there, until your rearview mirror trembles. JBL's legendary reliability and audio pedigree are baked in, plus their psychotic quality testing ensures this sub eats stress for breakfast. Want high-end sound with zero fuss? Click below and hear the difference. Don't wait for another quiet ride to crush your vibe. These things fly off shelves, and for good reason. Thousands of real drivers are already feeling that chest thump joy, all without losing a single inch of trunk space. Inventory's tight, and this is one upgrade that transforms your car without drama or drilling. Take the leap. Feel the rumble. Ditch the weak sauce and embrace the bass revolution. The JBL BassPro Hub doesn't just bring the boom, it does it undercover. Click now, upgrade today, and make every drive hit harder. Your bass glow-up starts here.